Yeah, welcome back to HumbleFx, and today we are talking about how to trade with the price action, basically break of structure. So, guys, if you are in the channel and you want to learn price action, then you are the right place. And if you're new by, you're right for this HumbleFx signing in. And let's get to the business of today, and let's see how we are going to be running the stuff right now. Okay, guys, I want to be starting a price action tutorial on this channel so that we'll not be doing much of indicators much this time. So if you don't want to miss our videos that we're going to be talking about, you will learn a lot of new things from these videos. Then you have to consider give me subscribe, and also like the video. Comment I am ready to learn price action on the comment section of this video. Comment I am ready to learn price action. So let's get to that. All right, so today we're talking about how to trade the break of structure. Right, how to know the break of structure and to ride it for a long time. Now let me get my box. All right, I'm seeing a market movement at this point here. Market movement going up and down, and I have to draw my zone. This is an important zone. This is my break of structure. If I should draw this down right here, see that this is my break of structure. All right, this zone down here, let me use my arrow box here. Okay, all right, this is a zone, this is a zone, this is a zone. Okay, so these levels here is a structure that has been formed. So what happened here, there is a break of market structure. When the price come back here, it broke this structure. So what do we expect? There are some tactics to trade the market break of structure. All right, there are some tactics, or what is it called, skills or concepts. Well, here we are going to go about learning the smart money concept. All right, this is the ICT concept. All right, so to trade it now, we don't want to enter right at this place. So what do we wait for? We are waiting for a sniper entry, a trade that is going to make us earn a massive profit with a little or no drawdown. All right, so how do I achieve that? First and first, we are going to wait for what we call a retest of the break. So this place is broken, right? This zone is broken. Okay, so what do we expect? We are going to wait for market to come back to that broken zone. Okay, we call it a breaker, right? We call it a breaker because there is sorry about this pop-up, please. There is currently a level here, right, that has been broken. So we want price to come back to it. We want price to come back to that same level, so we can take our short trade and have less or no drawdown. If I say drawdown, I mean pullback or something like that. Okay, so now let's view what I'm talking about here. Now the market actually came all the way down here, all right, and then came back to this break of structure, which we call boss. When you say boss, we mean break of market structure. Okay, so the market just broke out that place. You want to see that happen. Okay, your alignment, you should be waiting for a massive sell when there is a pullback to that, a retest rather, to that market break of structure, which happened right here. Market just come back upward. And what do I expect now? I expect market to come all the way down from here. Even though my safest TP is going to be around here, my safest TP. Right, let me go ahead and draw the lines. Let me use a vertical line to draw here. So where am I going to be looking at? I'm going for a long trade. Even though my safe TP, as I told you earlier in my last video, is the recent low is your safest TP, and that should be here, because if I check on the left side of my chart, I'm going to be seeing, sorry for this drawings. If I check my left side of my chart, okay, I'm going to be seeing something happening here. Look at this place. This is a level. This is a level, and I see there are still other levels back here. Look at this place. So I'm taking that place as my first safest TP. That is this particular point here, this particular level zone here. That should be my safest TP. So but my normal TP where I'm going for a long sell. I'm going to be going sorry about that. Let me draw. I'm going to draw a rectangle right there. All right, I'm going to go down all this way below this current low. There is a low here that I'm looking at. This place is what I'm looking at, right? Yes, here is what I'm looking at. This swing low here is where I'm going for. So I'm going all the way down to this swing low, something like that, and I'm certain that it's going to come down all the way to this point. Now let's go to 4 hours time frame. You know we are on a 1 hour time frame, guys. So if I go to 4 hour time frame, you see that what I drew here is actually a very, very important place that market should actually come. Yes, so this is where I should be taking my overall my TP should be around here, right? But I told you guys there are what we call the safest TP when it comes to ICT concept. Now this is we trading the market breakup structure. All right, in the next video we'll be talking about how to trade using the Fibonacci, because even at this point here we can still use the Fibonacci to check our stuff. Now let us even draw it at the moment. Let's use that. Let's put that to work. So guys, I would want to do me a favor. Once you watch this video, go ahead to your demo or any go to your chart and analyze your chart. Then you see what I'm talking about. So if I'm going to use my Fibonacci level, what are the levels I'm going to be using? I'm using the highest, the swing high and the swing low. So where is the swing high and where is the swing low? Here is the swing high. I'm going to be going down to my swing low. So here is the swing low, guys. Okay, here is the swing low. So oh, sorry for this. I just want to be online so that you see the live trade, please. I don't know why people are just giving me this problem here. All right, this is the swing high, as you see here, the highest high, and the swing low, the lowest low. So what am I going to be doing? What is my take? Where is my entry? Even I'm seeing that where am I on the entry? Where is my entry position? All right, so let me zoom in so that you'll be seeing the chart. Okay, let me take out this arrow that I draw. Let me take out the arrow so that the chart will be at least somehow clean. Now this is I draw my Fibonacci right here. We will talk about the numbers on this Fibonacci level in the next video. So don't miss that video. Okay, now we draw our Fibonacci level right here using the swing low and the swing high. Okay, so and we want to trade the market breakup structure. Okay, so the market breakup structure, we should take entry at when the market retest this level. But which place are you going to take entry? Market might decide to spike above this level a bit. All right, just to obey this Fibonacci levels. This is a very important tools that you don't want to mess with. You need to learn how to use them. It's very important. Now, so what are the entry? You're going to be taking entry at when it comes to the level of 50. That is what we call the equilibrium. Level of 50 is called equilibrium, right? Though sometimes it spans beyond 50 and it goes to premium. All right, so the level of 50 is equilibrium. And if you watch out in this video, let me take out this my box so I will see clearly. Okay, if you watch clearly in this place right here, where the market start to come down, the market just came to that level 50. That is the equilibrium point, and start to go down. Even if it spike right now and go above the level 50, my next entry, safest entry, is the level 61.8. At this point, we are already at a premium. So what do we mean by premium? Premium is just any level that is already above 50 in the Fibonacci level. This is a premium, and we are trying to sell because the market structure is telling us is said. There's a double top here that has been broken here. So this is just a retest of that broken region. So we expect it to go down. We expect the market to go down. All right, so this is a pullback. All right, so guys, this is already at equilibrium, and if by chance the market goes above this level 50 here, then we are going to be talking about premium market. Now if you know about ICT, you should know about premium and discount. So in the next video we will talk about more about that. So these are videos that you'll be seeing in this channel from now henceforth, even though we still do some other we still do some setups and all that, but we will do more of price action so that you don't get yourself, so you can learn how to take long trade and not taking some few pips. You see this thing here I took here, this my candle I took here, I already got me some lots of profits. Yes, I already got some good profits with that already. I already got I've gotten over 100 pips in this market. Yes, over 100 pips in this trade right now. Okay, so what am I talking about right now? We have seen how it respected the level 50, that is the equilibrium points of the Fibonacci levels and all that. So guys, if you like this video, this HumbleFx, please smash this. The like button is very important. Please like the video and comment on the comment section. I'm ready to learn price action and we'll take it from there. All right, and also if you want to join my channel on Telegram, you can check on the video description. You will see the link to my Facebook, or sorry, my Telegram channel. Also you will see the link to my Facebook page. You can join there and you get connected to me and all that. If you have any question about this video, you want to ask me, you can also check on the video description. You will see the link to my profile. You can ask me the question and I will answer you, or on WhatsApp I will answer you once I get the question. All right, this is HumbleFx and I want you to enjoy. Okay guys, see you in the next video.